Yep, that's exactly what it looked like, bro. And then did it again, man. We had a repeat. Part 2. They couldn't even get to reprogram the key this time. They ain't even make it to that. Bad boy alarm went off. Like I said, man, get y'all the CompuStar, man. Make sure y'all get that bad boy. And make sure you get your kill switch. This car been going right now. They done got me again, man. So we back to the junkyard. We finna have a nice little video of that. Y'all just got me some more content, man. I appreciate it. What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy The Real J3R10, and I'm back with another video. And unfortunately, I have to make another video like this today. I wish I didn't, but today we are going to get another charger window, which thankfully, you know what I'm saying, this junkyard always has. Like I said, I'm not gonna tell y'all what junkyard this is. Y'all gonna just have to figure it out. I'm pretty sure by now somebody know where I'm at. But we're about to get ready to find a new window, taking myself to row 100. I think I'm going the opposite way anyway, but taking myself to row 100. We're about to go look at these chargers over here. We're gonna snatch this window out. I'm taking 2 this time because for some reason it's the same window. And it's gonna be a lit day, man. I'm about to show y'all how to remove the window and everything. Hopefully my phone doesn't die while I'm making the video. But I'm gonna show y'all how to take the window out, and I'll show y'all how to install it. So this video might take about 2 days for me, but maybe 10-15 minutes for y'all, man. So we're gonna get this together. I love and appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. And we're gonna get right to when I find the car, because I don't want to bore y'all with looking for it. But we here in the Dodge aisle, as y'all can see. So it will be real soon. I'm gonna cut back in. Crazy part is I found the car with the window I need. And I see why nobody even messed with it. Because as you can tell, the car is clearly been sideswiped. I don't know what the heck. But look at this. Ain't no opening from the outside. Ain't no opening it from the inside. Like, one of them, man. I could get in here. Cool. My mistake was not coming here thinking I needed a pry bar. I think I had one in my trunk, so we about to walk out and we're gonna see. But this is impossible to get it in from here. But we're gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this window off right here just in case. Whatever. We're leaving with 2 windows. I'm spending $50 today because you never know. It's somebody that hates somewhere in this world and they gonna do some fuck shit. You feel me? So. Excuse my language, but it's about as real as I could be right now, man. I ain't gonna lie. And these people like to play with you, folks. So yeah, man, I'm gonna be back when I go and get this pry bar so I can get this stuff together, man. Okay, so I'm back and I ended up having to get something to solve our little problem with this door. So we're gonna see what's up with this pry bar, man. You know what I'm saying? I ended up getting this from Home Depot. Thankfully, Home Depot doesn't like the tax the same as AutoZone. So yeah, I'm gonna shut it down and all that good stuff, and we're gonna try to pry open this door, man. Come help me out, pry this up. Lend me your energy on some like Goku type shit, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back. What's going on YouTube? Today we're about to learn how to be a certified striker. Now right here we have a 2014 Dodge Charger RT, and we need to get this window out, man. So this is what we're gonna do, all right? We got this nice little pry bar right here. We don't want to damage the window. We're gonna have to get up in that thing. We're on now. Get up in that thing and get this bad boy open. I don't know how it's gonna be done, but we're gonna get it. Cause I need this car bad. We gonna get up in that thing. Damn, she's a difficult one. I'm saying, man, messing with these cars, man. I've been doing this for years, man. Ain't nothing like getting parts from a good striker. I'm gonna have to cut when I get this bad boy off or broke into it. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Just in case you think that I was messing around, man, look at what I had to do to this door. And it still ain't even out, man. But since we here, I can show y'all. You see this little mechanism right here behind the window? This literally is all you have to pull. If I was able to rotate this down, which is something you normally do from the inside, this window would have been out. But since it's stuck to like this metal here and on this side, it's hard for me to pull it out right now. But essentially that's what it is, and I'll end up showing you guys when I make it to the crib. Well, all that work for nothing, man. All that work for nothing. Guess we do have to go to another junkyard or just spend that money, man. Messing with this window. Got my arm covered in glass. All I need to do is be more patient, bro. I done flexed the window. I done bent it, bro. The one I needed. I want to leave now at this point, bro. Whatever now. All that work for nothing. I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna crash out. Hold on, y'all. We take y'all through this process. The best thing we do is let it out. I'm finna hop in one of these cars. I'm finna let this shit loose. Okay. Alright, I'm better. I'm good. Alright, Jay gang. It's the next day, man. And I end up in another random little toy yard out here in Griffith, Indiana. We got the car sitting right here. About to go ahead and get this window out. Hopefully I don't break it this time. Look at my fingers, bro. It ain't that bad, but yeah, we gonna see what we can do here, man. Can't record too much because there's no place to set up my little camera. So I'm gonna get this window out and I'll be back when we putting it on my car. We're gonna be lit today, man. Love and appreciate y'all. See y'all in a minute. And just like that, man, the window is out. Now we about to go home and I'm gonna show y'all how to put it inside the other window. All right, guys, we've officially struck the window that we needed to put on our car, man, because we only get striker parts right here, man. We don't ride with you. We gotta get up out of here, though. We gotta make sure we get up out of here because they might try to come and get us, man. I think so behind us. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. They coming. They coming. I think we got away. It's almost worried, man. We got all the parts that we need. I'll see y'all when I get home, man, to put this bad boy in this car. Striker parts only, you feel me? Strike for strike. They want to strike my shit, I'ma strike they shit. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. So, yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute, man. We putting this in. Okay, so we are outside currently at J3's Magical Shop, man. And we about to go ahead and get this bad boy taken off, and I'm gonna tell y'all the very first step, and this step is the easy step, is getting off this door panel right here. So what you want to do is pop this off right here, and you want to pop this off that's in here. I'll be back when I take them off. We're gonna give y'all a nice little example. As soon as you pop them two off as well, if you take a look at it, you literally can pop the door off. Literally pop it off. Like, they get so easy to goddamn steal this shit, bro. Like, I don't understand. But pop this off up here. Pop this off. Pop the door panel off. There's going to be something behind this that you got to take off. You don't have to necessarily take it off. Just get it up out the way. And then it's going to be this connector here. But I'm going to show y'all. Hold on. Okay, so as you see, taking these off reveals a screw right here and a screw right here. Those are literally the only two screws that you're going to be taking off during the process of getting off the door panel. So I'll be right back when I get these bad boys off. Before we move forward, I want to have a quick reminder, man. Get you some rubber gloves or some glass-proof gloves. Get you some of these so that you do not cut yourself. Because I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10, you got glass all around your door. And get you a vacuum, too, so you can vacuum it up, man. Don't petty. And I'm going to tell you this right now. You trying to make money off of somebody who had this same problem? Guess what? I'm finna teach you how to do that. So now, what you want to do is get some sort of pry tool, screwdriver, something that's not going to damage it, and just pry it out from this side. You can start here and work your way around. So that's what we're going to end up doing. Let me get this out of my way. We'll work our way around. If it gets too hard to pull, there we go. If it gets too hard to pull, guys, make sure you get something to pry it. But now that we have it out like this, you pretty much want to slide it up and get it over a little ridge and get it over this too. That's what we're going to end up doing next. And for this part, I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on so I don't hurt myself. So what you're going to do now, take a look. You see these wires here? It's all wires that's going against the door. Make sure you pull them out so you don't have to worry about nothing. You won't cut yourself, hurt yourself, any of that. That's the last thing you want to happen. but pull every last one of these out, every last one of them. And it's also gonna be a wire in the back for the door itself. I'm gonna show you guys how not to mess that up, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to only show you this one good time. Excuse my fingers, but look, if you take a look here, this is gonna be inside of this right here. What you wanna do is hold these up here and pull it. Hold this up here with the other hand and pull it. And then once you do that, you'll pretty much slide this out the slot. And that'll be this wire and this little cord you gotta get out. Then we're gonna work our way down here. And everything is pretty much get you a flat head and pull out. And then one of them you pull from the door and you got the door panel out. Now that we have the entire door panel off, we're gonna focus on these screws here. All of them are 10 millimeters. So check the perimeter, you're gonna have 10 millimeters. Also, we're gonna take this bad boy out too. The window motor, we're gonna take the window motor out as well. Get those bad boys off out of these little slots here. Everything is pretty much straightforward. You know, it's not anything that is difficult. You could be able to reach into the window here. If you need to get the window out, I'm gonna end up showing y'all what the mechanism looks like and everything once I get this off. I hope this video is making sense to y'all, but I got this panel off. I was able to vacuum and get all of the glass out. It's pretty simple on how to do this. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what to do. So you get your screw, you get your T25, and you put it here, like I said. So it's a green one, green, and it's a yellow. Also with that T25, you're gonna have your window motor as well. You want to take your window motor out. So it's going to be 3 T25 screws here, here, and here. You take that bad boy out. What you want to do is lift it and bring it down. So lift out and bring it down. It's going to expose this. This is what would possibly be in the way of you getting this out. It's pretty simple. And then you just go behind this window, pull it back. Be careful not to pull this out or you're going to have a load of problems. But then you're gonna be able to vacuum all that glass out. I was able to vacuum it out already. I hope that made sense to y'all. So if you take a look here, this is pretty much what the window is being held on with. It's nothing but a little clip that you go, it's nothing but this little flappy clip thing right here. Move this and you got your window. So what you wanna do, let me zoom out. On the side right here, this rail that holds the glass, you want to push it back. You want to push it back just enough to be able to move the glass forward, and then you'll be able to lift the glass up and pull it out literally off of its track. And when it's time to put it back in, I'm going to set my camera down and show y'all how to do that. So if y'all follow the steps properly, the same way you took the door off is the same way you put the door back on. Make sure you plug every single thing back up and have it in its rightful place. Make sure that you clean out all the glass that's inside of every piece of this window. Get you a screwdriver, you can get that out. One thing that I wanted to tell you that it was kind of hard for me to show and even record for y'all is physically getting the window into the track itself. Now, if you take a look, I'm gonna tell you this. Get your window in and guide it all the way down to the bottom. All the way down. As low as you can until it touches the window regulator. Then what you wanna do is get you a flathead. Take your flathead, go all the way down and just follow the guide. You'll see where the window meets the guide that you have to slide this into. What you wanna do is take your flathead and push it in this direction. push it in that direction to be able to get this on track and on the window. Once you do it, it's something that once you do, you'll understand. It's really hard for me to show it, especially with me being by myself. But once you do it, you'll kind of understand. Get that guide in, push it this way with the flathead, and the window will slide right in place. And you literally tie everything back together, pull your switch, and the window will go up and be right on the track. If you hear any grinding noises, anything like that, stop what you're doing immediately, take that window back down, and make sure you cleaned out all the glass. But it's your boy, the real J3RT, and I'm checking out with a video, man. I hope y'all was able to learn and y'all had a good time with me, man. We had ran away from the cops, from the striker, man, and we done got our window back together how it's supposed to be, man. Again, I love and appreciate y'all. It's your boy, the real J3RT, and I'm clocking out with another video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all like what I had, man. I haven't seen a lot of videos of people doing this, and hopefully my video got you one step closer to doing this the right way. And make your money too, man. And you know how much you can charge people for this window alone? I'll tell you this is an easy job. If it was me doing this, I'll let them go get the window themselves, and I'll charge $60 to put it in. $60 install. You charge $60 for an hour. Get this bad boy done in less than an hour. You made your bread. That's food for thoughts, man. Hopefully y'all stay to the end to get that little gem, man. Like I said, I love and appreciate y'all. It's your boy, the real J3RT, and I'm checking out with another video. Gang.